guys, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, it's Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today is health vlog. Yay! Health vlogs. Whoa! Ugh. Living with chronic health pain is sucky. Living with chronic health pain at night is the worst. Waking up with chronic health pain is that. Just living with hell is ugh. But hey, this is my life. Welcome to it. Yay! Okay, so on this vlog, I'm just going to head to toe of what is going on with my health, and yeah, super. So let's get started. Let's go with my head first. I'm having a headache occasionally. I was diagnosed with chronic daily headaches and occasionally migraines. Don't have migraine too often anymore. I did have it occasionally. I know the triggers for a migraine. And headaches, I'm on a medicine for it, so I take it on my certain day, and I will never be off of it. It's been helping. I take my headache medicine Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I feel like it is working. So, yay. My TN on my face, my term, yeah, just let's say TN. I don't know much. Is doing okay. I know if it hurting if I'm smiling or laughing too much, I will notice. Also on my face, I have eye floaters. I am actually having eye floater as I'm talking to you right now. So my floater are like right through here, right through here. Last December, I saw an eye doctor, not my specialist yet, and he said that I am on the early stages of cataracts. Well, it's great. Add to my health issues. Why not? So I have that. Doesn't really mean anything to me. I'm just like, I'm on the early stages, so okay, sure, whatever. So that's what is going on with that. Face-wise. Let's go to EOE. I feel like I'm on remission with that. Yes. And I'm not having issue of eating or drinking, of having a lump down my throat. And I'm on a medicine that I take every week, every Friday. Sorry, not week, every Friday. Or occasionally Saturday, depending on what I have on my Fridays. And normally for my shot, that is my injection for my EOE, it's usually in my arm or in my thigh. And I switch off and on. It normally on my left side. I never do it on my right side. The last few, I keep a journal of my shots. Just to make sure every day is going good. The first two was in my right arm, I think. I never did my hip. Most painful. Most yells. Ugh. Awful pain on my right side. So I never do it on my right side. Usually on my left side. Yeah. I got my routine down on it, so I iced my arm. I actually did a video on this, so I will link the video in my description box so you can go find the video. So yeah. And so I feel like that's been helping a lot more. Of course, I can't really explore new food wise, but I've been trying new recipes and new smoothie recipes that I've been liking. More video for smoothies. So stay tuned for that. And with my EOE, I've been having acid more, which is like build up acids in my gut that is traveling upward. Ugh. Like vomit in their mouth, kinda. And then I also have heartburn, which is like burning sensation in my chest. I know chest pain more is very common with EOE, so I have that going on. Okay. My gut pain is my main thing right now that I hate. Don't really understand what's going on. Some days I'm just very, very frustrated, very sad, very angry, I just want to scream sometimes, and I'm just at my limit of having gut pain that is severe, and it's a pain that I don't quite understand, and I don't understand why I have this pain. And at this point of my life, I just want answers. I've been wanting answers since it had been started. It's been... Let me do my math. Hold on. I want to say 14 years. It's been 10 years since I had everything happen in 2016. So yeah, I want to say 14. It's been really severe lately. And I'm going to be... So I decided that I'm actually OEM, but I'm decided that I'm going to be my own advocate for my gut pain. I'm going to figure this out. Gosh darn it, I'm going to figure this out, and I'm going to figure out what kind of tests I can do for my gut. There are 2 in mind that I'm going to be doing. Don't know for sure yet if my insurance will cover it or not. It is one for my rectum. I will name it in the description box down below, so you can go look it up on your own time. And then another one I want to do, of course, TBI, ladies, is Pap Smear. I want to do my Pap Smear for it, just to make sure everything working down there and doing its thing and seeing what the culprit is. So yeah, that is my gut pain. Super. And then I also have scoliosis, so my scoliosis has been really hurting lately. I have some spot on my back that I've been watching, making sure everything doing good. What I do for my back, I do heat, massages, chiropractor just to help it along. I used to do acupuncture, but not anymore. And the last one is my feet. Woo! I have neuropathy, but I also feel like I have motor and sensory issue going on with my feet. I looked this up. Bad idea looking up or symptom, but I'm curious now. And luckily I am seeing my neurologist on Friday. And hopefully I can get some answers. So what is going on with my feet? What is going on my feet is I can't curl without being in pain, and I can't flip a word without being in pain. So yeah, it's hard. When when summer hit and the ground is hot, it feels like hot lava on my feet, and it will burn off my skin, and I don't feel anything. I don't feel any temperature changing. I can walk around barefoot in the house. It's so cold. I love cold feet, but not too cold. So yeah, that is my health. My crazy chronic health. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'll be posting. Share with a family friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye!